What are policy limits for homeowners liability insurance? Imagine hosting a backyard barbecue and someone slips and gets injured. Or maybe your dog causes damage to a neighbor's property. Do you know how much your insurance will cover in those cases? That's where policy limits come into play. They are the maximum amount your insurance company will pay if someone files a claim against you for injury or property damage. These limits are written into your insurance policy and set the boundaries for your financial protection. Most homeowners' liability coverage starts at $100,000. That means if someone gets hurt on your property, your insurance will pay up to that amount for medical bills, legal costs, or damages. But if the injury or damage is more expensive, you could be responsible for paying the rest out of pocket. Many people choose to increase their liability limits to $300,000 or even $500,000. Higher limits are especially helpful if you own valuable assets like a large home, savings, or investments. Some homeowners' policies also offer options to go even higher. You can buy additional coverage called an umbrella policy. These policies usually start at $1 million and provide extra protection beyond what your basic homeowner's policy covers. This is useful if you want to be prepared for serious accidents or lawsuits that could cost more than your standard limits. Liability coverage includes two main parts. The first is bodily injury liability. This covers expenses if someone is hurt on your property or because of your actions. The second is property damage liability, which pays for damage you or your household members cause to someone else's property. Your policy's declaration page will show the specific limit for liability coverage. If damages go over that amount, you will need to pay the difference yourself. Some policies also have lower sublimits for valuables like jewelry, firearms, or electronics. These items might only be covered up to a certain amount unless you add extra protection. Choosing the right liability limit depends on your personal situation. Think about your assets, the features of your property, and your lifestyle. If you have a swimming pool or a trampoline, your risk of injury increases. Hosting many gatherings or owning a dog breed that might be considered risky can also influence your decision. As your financial situation changes, it's wise to review and possibly increase your liability limits. An umbrella policy can be a smart way to add extra coverage without having to change your homeowner's policy. Understanding liability limits is especially important for Black communities, as it helps protect personal wealth and reduce the risk of financial hardship from lawsuits. Being aware of your coverage options and regularly reviewing your policy can help you stay prepared and safeguard your assets. Consulting with an insurance professional can guide you in choosing the right limits to fit your needs and goals.